Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. Oh, baby. A lot of action in the markets today. The NASDAQ, the Dow got halted. Everything is going down. Crypto, Bitcoin down. So we're going to talk about that. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me make sure that everything is working on my end on the live stream. But guys, if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you do not know what's going on and how to profit from this craziness, guys, if you're scared and you don't know what to do, then definitely hit that subscribe button, because over here I basically specialize in showing you guys how to profit from the markets now. Okay, you don't have to wait. Now we are looking at the NASDAQ. Basically, we dropped so low. Okay, it was halted today. I didn't really trade because it was just crazy, because as soon as the market opened, actually we're going to talk about that later. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you're watching that replay, hit 1.5 or 2 to speed it up. Okay, go to the settings, hit 1.5 to speed it up. And also, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. Shout out to everybody that's here. Guys, make sure that, can you guys, hold on, make sure you guys can actually hear me. Everything looks good on my side. But, boy, oh boy, okay, we're going to definitely get to the stock market and Bitcoin real quick. Actually, I'm probably going to talk about Bitcoin first, and then we're going to go to the stock market. But overall, guys, a crazy day. A crazy day in the neighborhood. So let's go to Bitcoin real quick. I'm not really going to talk about too much with the cryptos. We talked about this yesterday. I think it was yesterday, the day before yesterday. I told you guys that overall, guys, this whole structure. I'm looking at. See, most of you guys get caught up in the micro, which is these short-term pullbacks. All right, and I told you guys before that every time Bitcoin goes up, it's just a pullback, and most of you guys don't understand that. You're thinking that a pullback is a trend or is a start of a bull market, and I'm trying to educate you guys and explain to you guys that that's not it. If you look at the whole structure, guys, all right, we are still making lower lows. There's nothing bullish about this. We have to break out of this, all right? And I told you guys that overall we look weak and we have so much resistance up here. I told you if we do bounce from here, which we did, we still have problems right here. I told you guys that, all right? I know some of you guys, he don't know what he's talking about, whatever, and boom, dropped. Now, this looks scary because it looks like more selling is coming in. Now, there's a strong possibility that they can probably wipe these guys out. And most likely, if they wipe these guys out, they're probably going to go all the way back to the lows, which is 3,000, whatever. Okay, now it's probably not gonna happen in 1 month or two. It's gonna probably take time. Okay, probably gonna bounce around, but like I said, we'll see. The last thing right here on Bitcoin is they have to find support right here. If the price doesn't find support right here, you're gonna have a lot of trouble right now. Okay. Other than that, really don't want to talk about too much. If you guys have any questions, let me know. All right, but let me make sure you guys can hear me. Hold on, guys. Let me make sure you guys can hear me before I even continue to talk. But shout out to everybody that's here, man. Shout out to all my students. Shout out to all my subscribers. Appreciate you guys tuning in. The mic looks like is good on my end. I'm gonna make sure that you guys can hear me. But guys, if you have any questions, type it in. All right, and tell me what you're doing right now. As of right now, with things is going crazy. What you doing? Like, are you buying anything? Are you selling anything? Guys, let me know. Okay, you sound good. Cool. So guys, what you guys are doing in any market? So right now, XRP is dropping. We talked about this how XRP have to find support right here, but it's not. So most likely it's probably gonna go lower. It is what it is. Now let's go back to the NASDAQ and the S&P 500, guys. It was crazy because today I woke up and I'm looking at my chart. I'm like, yo, what's going on? I don't see any movement. and then next thing you know, I see on the internet this stuff is halted, right? So what they have is they have protections, right? They have a circuit breaker, so they don't want the market to go down so fast. So once the market goes down 7%, they stop it, right? And then if it goes down 13%, they stop it again. So it pause, okay? Pause for like 15 minutes. And then if it goes below, let me see, if it goes down, I think they said 20%, I believe, they're going to stop trading for the whole day. Today it only went down, I believe, 7%, and that was it. So it was halted pre-market, okay? And I'm like, yo, I don't know what's going on. I'm like, this is new to me. So, in '08, I really didn't experience anything like this. So, I was like, I'm not even gonna do anything right now. I'm not even gonna trade. As soon as the market opened, boom, we get one red candle to the downside. Let me show you real quick. Let's go to that 5-minute. We get one red candle right here. Notice how we get that red candle. Let me zoom in a little bit. So we get this one red candle right here. As soon as the market opened, boom, and again halted again. So we had to wait another 15 minutes. I was like, you know what? I'm not even gonna trade this market. This market is acting crazy. But I did take. I actually went out. Okay, got something to eat. I came back and I saw a couple of setups. I took one. I took my first setup. I got stopped out, and I took another setup, and basically, I took this move all the way down. Okay, so I made a little bit of money, but nothing too crazy because I was trading light. I didn't really. I'm waiting for tomorrow. Tomorrow should be hopefully a normal day. Okay. But overall, guys, we talked about this yesterday, guys. Remember what I said? I said that this first bounce, I doubt it. I'd be surprised if this first bounce, take us back to the highs. I'd be surprised. Okay. Now, I believe what we are going to experience. We are going to experience, some crazy drawdowns, I believe. Okay. Now a couple of things can happen. You see this big breakout right here. Okay, this is what I'm looking at. This is where I'm talking right here. So they can go all the way down to this big breakout, maybe down to these lows. So I know a lot of people are trying to buy the dips, and I believe a lot of people are going to get hurt. Okay, they are going to get hurt when it comes to buying the dips. And I'm gonna talk about that later down the road. Probably make a video on that, but I know a lot of people got used to, just keep on buying the dips. This is something. That's why I told you guys. For some reason, this doesn't seem like, like in the past where we just, went down and then go right back up. This looks a little different, but this might not be it to the point where it wipes out everything, but I believe we will probably continue to go down lower, and we're probably going to have decent volatility, and probably all the way until the way this looks, probably all the way until election. Okay, I hope so, and that would be beautiful for us traders. We love volatility, so if we can get this going and get this volatility, because right now the VIX is. If you look at the VIX, guys, the VIX is at. Let's go to the VIX. The VIX is at, it actually hit 62. So that is beautiful, guys. All right. I mean, think about it. I mean, we've been trading the low 12s for like, a lot of years. So 60. Okay. Last time we saw 60, guys, was back in January 18. And actually, we saw 49. We didn't even see 60. So the last time we saw 60. Let me see. Last time we saw 60. Sheesh. We have to probably go back to '08. Okay. Let's go back. Last time we saw 60, guys, was. Let me see. Sheesh. Yeah. '08. Yeah. So that's the last time we saw 60, guys. It was '08. All right. So this is nothing to play with right now. All right. So this is looking like continuation. All right, that's what it's looking like. So, if you guys have any questions, type it in. I've been doing this for going on 13 years, so I understand what's going on. When I first started, I started out in 2007, and and the next year was 2008, which was the crash. So basically, guys, if you want or you know, if you have any questions, just type it in. Let me know, guys, what you guys are doing with this going on. Are you guys are sitting back? Are you guys are accumulating more stock or whatever whatever you're doing? Let me know. Let me see if I see any questions so far. Shout out to everybody that's here. What's going on? 1106, Javier, Mod Ted, I believe I'm saying that right. I don't know. You said I hope your XRP. You said I hope you're in XRP. Why do you want me to be in XRP? What's going on, J Biz? Yeah, why do you want me to be in XRP? Okay. That doesn't make sense. You know, why would I be in something that's going down? I don't get it. Someone said, "Can I look at gold?" Yeah, I'll look at gold. Okay, we can look at that. You said you shorted AMD. XRP, new world currency. You know, I don't know if you're trolling, bro. You're trolling right now. My net is trolling. Let me see. What's going on, Jesus? John said you are a joke. You're not making money on Bitcoin, and you said you are. And you said N of said. Bro, first of all, you said N of said you are lying. First of all, that doesn't make any sense. Second of all, who said that I'm trading Bitcoin? Show me one video where I said I actually put money on Bitcoin lately. John, you know, you have no idea, bro. You have no idea. So somebody said he shorted oil. So Monet, you say you're buying Bitcoin. Well, I mean XRP. We'll get to that. So someone wants to look at gold, and we get to the trolls later. You know, we get to the trolls later. All right. So let's look at gold. Okay. Let's look at some gold real quick. All right. So basically, gold is at a level where, you know, we could find. I wouldn't say resistance. I would say temporary resistance. So you might have a pullback here soon. You might have a pullback soon. We will see. I want to see how it acts. Let me see. Yeah, this week. I just want to see if they, you know, they're gonna hold up this level right here, because 1700 could be some, I would say, a temporary resistance right now. Okay, so we could pull back a little bit just to go right back up. So I don't see anything on gold right now. Okay, let's go back to the chat. Let's see if I see anything else. All right. What's going on, NN? All right. XRP looking like it may want to bounce. Man, listen, bro. I don't care what none of you guys say. I'm not. First of all, why would you? If let me explain something to you, okay? Right? Let me explain something to you. That guy that just came in, my net, okay? He's not talking about trading, all right? He's not talking about trading. He's talking about a long-term investment, because the way he's talking, I can tell. He's saying buy XRP, all right? Why would I buy something, okay? Let me show you something real quick. So so I can, you know, so I can leave this guy alone because he's wasting, you know, my time. Why would I buy a pig, right? That been basically, if you put like this, if you bought it right back in, and this doesn't have all the data. Let me see if I go back to. Let me see if I get another one that has more data than this. Let me see Bitstamp. Let's see Bitstamp has more data. Okay, so all right. So let's say if I bought Bitcoin, I mean XRP, May. Okay, May 17th, guys. It's basically 3 years. Right? Somebody bought this on around May 17th. 3 years, right? It didn't go anywhere. Why would I buy something and then the next 3 years it's back to, you know, to break even? So basically what I'm trying to tell you is I don't care what you're saying when it comes to buying XRP. I don't care what you're saying when you're saying XRP is going to replace the currency. Bro, that's just noise, all right? It doesn't make any sense to me. I'm a numbers guy. I want to see the proof, okay? The chart is proof. It's reality. The reality is this is a pig and it's probably going to get slaughtered. All right? It's probably going to continue to go down more and more. It's just what it is. Nothing bullish is on this chart. All right, so let's go back to some real questions, guys. Let's look at crude oil. Crude oil, another one, guys. Another one that got smacked. Okay, we are right back to the lows. Remember what I told you guys. I can see this thing going right back to the lows, which is the 25, 26. Okay, and it's right there. So that tells me that most likely it's going to break those lows. I wouldn't be surprised if it won't break those lows, guys. Those lows is probably going to get smacked. Guys, imagine crude oil in the teens, right? Imagine crude oil in the teens. When the last time we saw, let me see, when the last time we saw crude oil in the teens, guys? Let me see. It's probably 08. Nah, it wasn't even 08. It wasn't in the teens. No. Let me see. Last time we saw crude oil in the teens, guys, it was pretty much last time. Pretty much. Let me see. Right here, which is 2001, guys, and this is around December 01, guys. So that's what, going on 19 years. Sheesh. And you wonder why anyway, we're gonna talk about that later. Let's see if I see any more questions, guys. Guys, if you have any more questions, shout out to Crypto Inspo. Shout out to you, man. Shout out to you. I didn't see you in a long time, man. Good guy. Crypto Inspo is a very good guy, man. Shout out to you, bro. Good to see you on the live stream. Let me see here. Somebody said you want to look at some Forex pairs. I don't even see this pair right here. Why I don't see this coming up? Let me make sure that you did this right. Let me know, bro, because I don't see that coming up. All right. Let me know. For some reason, I'm not. Let me see. It's not coming up on here. Is that a valid pair? Let me know. Let me look at some more questions here. Bro, I'm one of the Ben's first subs. Don't make me switch my account and put you on timeout. Shout out to Crypto Inspo, put him on timeout. You was looking at GJ to sell. GJ, let me see. You said go easy on you? Nah, bro. I'm not. I don't. I don't attack people. So basically, you're looking at this right here, this stock right here, GJ, and you said you're looking for what? A sell? Let me see. What do you think about? No, you said I'm looking to sell GJ. Now go easy on me. So basically, tell me some more information. You know, are you in? What price you in? You know, just give me more information. All right, let's go back to some more questions, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're nervous right now, you don't know what to do, let me know. I've been doing this for 13 years, so put it in. Put in your questions. Basically, we had a crazy market today. This crude oil dropped. The Dow, the Nasdaq, the stock market dropping. It got halted. Right now, it's probably going to go right back to the lows. If you look at Nasdaq, is trying to go back down. Okay, so let's go to the 5 minute. Okay, 5 minute right here. Yeah, so the 5 minute looks weak. It looks like it's probably trying to go right back down, and we're probably going to get halted again. Hopefully tomorrow is a normal day for us, so I can trade this baby. But overall, yeah, man, the market is this nuts. It's weak. Let's go to. What's going on, Ken? Shout out to you, bro. Smell like money, yeah, bro. A lot of money. That's why I love when the market crashes, because it is a lot of opportunity. Think about it, guys. Let's look at the Nasdaq. All right, let's think about this for a second. This is why I love when the market crashed. All right, and this is why you gotta step up your game. So the market right here is at the October. Okay, it went back to the October price. So basically, let me see, November, December, January, February, March. All right. So we're talking about almost 5 months. Almost 5 months wiped out in pretty much what, 8 days? 5 months in 8 days. This is why I love when the market crashes. I love it. Okay? Because the volatility, the market moves much quicker. The volatility is crazy, and it's lovely, guys. Only the people that only know how to go long, like the guy that just left talking about buy XRP, those are the guys that get slaughtered. Okay? Those are the guys that leave, right? Those are the guys that get slaughtered. Monet, you get slaughtered because you only thing you know how to do is buy. That's it. And you use words like don't be left behind. What are you talking about, bro? You're already left behind. How much? What are you talking about? You're already left. You know, I mean, what are you talking about, bro? So JB. British pound, you said? Okay, so British pound on a daily chart you're talking about? What about it? What do you want me to look at? Okay. This thing looks weak. Probably going to create another low. Yeah. I mean, I don't really see anything. It can find support right here, but I don't think so. I think we're probably going to continue to go make new lows. My work pays me in BTC, unfortunately. I mean, you could always swap it out. Okay, you can swap it out as soon as you get that BTC. Boom, get that cash, get it out. Right, as soon as you get that BTC, boom, you switch it to cash, get out. Guys, Bitcoin was supposed to be a safe haven, guys. What's going on, right? BTC safe haven. What's going on, guys? What's going on to the safe haven boys? Where you guys at? This joint is dropping like crazy, bro. Getting hit. Gold is going up. BTC going down. It's getting hit. A duking. Oh, sheesh. All right, let's go back to NASDAQ, guys. Let's go back to NASDAQ. So yeah, man, we had a record drop, halted. Tomorrow is going to be a very interesting day. I want to see if they're going to I hope these guys don't sell it off. Like, I mean, I know we're going to have another I can almost guarantee you we're probably gonna have another day where they pause the market, but I hope it's not gonna be tomorrow. I need a I need a full day. Yeah, guys, hit those likes. Hit those likes. Hit those likes, guys. And guys, if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. Give me a second. I gotta plug in my laptop. Give me a second. All right. We are back. We are back. We are live. We are live. Yes, yes, yes. Let's get it. Wee. I feel like a kid right now. Wee. There's money everywhere. Wee. So, guys, tomorrow should be very, very interesting. Anybody that's buying this dip right now, in my opinion, I believe you should be careful. I understand Warren Buffett said buy when people are fearful, blah, blah, blah. Basically, that only, that in my opinion, that only works if you understand if you understand how to read the charts, all right? All right? You can't start buying in the beginning of a bear market, okay? You just can't. That's why it's very important to learn how to read the charts. Most people believe that Warren Buffett doesn't know how to read the chart. They believe that a lot of long-term successful investors don't even look at charts, and that's nonsense. They look at charts. Guys, if you are in a business, right, you can't ignore something that works. It's just impossible. Okay? So yes, long-term investors do look at charts. They might not make their final decision on charts, but I guarantee you they can say, "Oh, you know what? Let's start selling off positions, and let's start get light. Let's get light a little bit because I'm looking at this chart right now and it doesn't look too good." Okay? I guarantee you. That's why when Monet came in the live stream and he says buy XRP, he don't know how to read the chart. All right. And unfortunately, guys like him, all right, they get hit. They get sonic boom. All right. They get hit, bro. All right, they get hit with that left jab. Let me read some more questions. Let me see. Jesus said, "Do you think BTC will ever reach 100K?" Like, no, no. Okay, no. We don't do that over here, bro. We don't do that 100K over here, guys. No. This channel is not about dreams and hopes and, oh man, I can't wait to BTC hit $1 million. No. Not around here, bro. Okay, I'm gonna give you the hardcore truth, and I'm gonna give you things that will help you make money consistently. Okay, most of you guys are looking for home runs. It's that lotto mentality. Okay. Don't you know that most people that play the lotto don't even basically hit big? They go through their whole life playing the lotto and they never make $1 million. It's only a few percentage, right? So most of you guys are going for home runs and you don't understand that percentage-wise is so low to the point where you'll probably never ever reach that number. Okay? I'm showing you guys there's another way, okay, where you can make consistent money, and that's what you want to do. Yeah, I mean it's the point where BTC is gonna have trouble. I believe it's gonna have trouble uh, getting to 20 20,000. Okay, BTC might not even reach 20,000 anymore. Or let me see. Let me look at the chart. Yes, I mean basically it's gonna have trouble even going to 20,000. Okay, it's just what it is. All right, let's go back to some more questions here. Um, you said you made too much money on the BSV. Shout out to you, bro. Kaching. You say you buying BTC at 2K. Yeah, I mean 2K is probably a decent, you know, level, but we'll see. Hey, what's going on, Dom? I didn't see you here. Kenny, what's going on? Um, Let me see here. Let me look at some more questions, guys. If you have any questions, type it in. Appreciate it. Appreciate all you guys here. Hit those like buttons. Hit those like buttons. The Bitcoin market is ready for big moves. What, to the downside? Big moves to the downside. Let me know. Is it you talking about to the downside or the upside? Let me know. You said it sucks, but what can I do? You asked them to pay me in Canadian dollars, but they block. Okay, that's crazy. I hear you, bro. So Jesus, what country are you in? You're in Canada? Juan, what's going on, Juan? You said it said what's Bitcoin dropping too? Yeah, Bitcoin is dropping too, bro. Neil, what's going on? Load up on decent cryptos while you can. Course they gonna transit everything over to blockchain. Nothing would be. I don't know, man. I don't know if I believe that, Neil. Okay. I don't believe crypto. Is it? And maybe it's gonna be another crypto. I don't think it's gonna be. These cryptos. So Jesus said danger haven. That's funny. My toilet paper is safer BTC right now. I feel you, bro. Loving the weather, man. Yeah, I'm outside too. I'm outside in my backyard. The weather's nice. I'm in some shorts right now. Enjoying the weather. I'm quite sure you guys hear some birds or something like that. Let me see here. When did you join crude oil? You said when did I join crude oil? I don't know what you mean by that, but we did look at crude oil, and crude oil is getting smacked. It's getting hit. All right. Crude oil is getting smacked. So we're gonna zoom out right here. We are pretty much at these lows right here on January lows in 2016, and the market is basically is taking a hit, man. And they blaming it on, I believe they're trying to blame it on that Corona thing, but I don't think that. I think it's more to it. Okay, there's definitely more to it. Corona just putting that icing on that cake. But overall, I mean, let's think about it, guys. I mean, what do you expect? You expect to basically continue to go up, okay, up and up and up, every single year. That's why I knew I knew that something was up with this crash. I'm not crash, but this pullback, because it didn't feel the same. All right, now, I'm not calling it a crash yet. Okay, we still have to go lower and lower and lower. Okay, if you look at this, if you look at it, we have to continue to go lower and lower and lower. But overall, it is a crazy sell-off. Okay, and it's scary to the people that have 401ks and the people that are looking to retire probably this year. Right? Think about it. If you guys are looking to retire this year, it's tough, but we'll see. Even today, I think it's more likely that Bitcoin will collapse than rally to the. Yeah, I mean, basically, guys. My question to you guys is, first of all, you guys know how I feel about crypto now. I mean, I was a crypto lover back in 2017, but just, I figured out, okay, I see what's going on. And then, I stepped away, and I was basically, I voiced my opinion on it. I know some of you guys don't probably agree, which is okay. But at the end of the day, crypto to me is not decentralized. So my question to you guys is, what is so special about crypto if it's not decentralized? Because that was the main, selling point. So anybody that's here, type it in. I don't know. Monet, are you here, Monet? Anybody that's, in love with cryptos, let me know. Because I could be wrong. I could be, I'm just basically trying to be all ears right now and try to hear you guys out. All right, so let's go back and read some more questions here. Nobody uses, yeah, exactly. Nobody uses crypto. It's just basically everybody want to sit on it. Simple. You said days like this is making me wish I was in the market shorting with leverage. Bro, you got it. You hit it. You hit it, bro. Guys, I was waiting for, days like this. And the way it looks, I'm not even sweating it. Like today, I didn't really trade. I took, small positions, right? But I'm not even sweating it. Like I wasn't even stressing myself out because I know the way this looks right now, it looks like it's probably going to last. We're probably going to have volatility for the next 6 months. Okay, and that's all I need. Okay, that's all I need. Let me see here. Well, even probably volatility for maybe for the whole year. We will see, because remember we have those election going on, right? Let me see. What's going on in the dinosaur? You said BTC Moonboy. I hate you, bro. BTC trading is banned in China. No, I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure, bro. Probably one of these guys in the chat can answer that. I really don't look at the news like that, Did you see that they are making their own crypto? Yeah, I mean, basically that's pretty much what it is. So crypto is your retirement in a dinosaur? That's what you're trying to say? I hope not, bro. I hope crypto is not your retirement. Let me know if that's what you're trying to say. Christopher said, "Where do you learn how to trade a chart?" Basically, I learned from a couple of people offline, and then a couple of people online, and then just me basically losing a whole bunch of money, and just trial and error. So just a combination, because when I first started out, now you guys, when you guys go to YouTube right now, you can easily type up, about trading, and you see a whole bunch of channels talk about trading. When I first started out, I mean, it wasn't that many channels. It was just really the education wasn't like that. So it's like you really had to find the right person, and it was very hard because a lot of people were just I don't think they know how to. These guys didn't know how to trade. So I learned from some lady. She was actually I met some lady, and she was actually a beast when it comes to trading crude oil. So I learned a little bit. I learned a lot from her. A lot from her. We was basically chatting through Skype. She was showing me some couple of pointers. I learned a lot from her. I learned from people offline, and then trial and error. Now I bought some courses too. And a lot of courses basically taught me the basics. And and then the rest of just me, trial and error. Because I mean, if you think about it, not that many people out here. It's not really that big channels out here that's talking about futures. Think about it for a second. Not penny. Everybody's talking about options. Everybody's talking about penny stocks. Everybody's talking about crypto and what else in the stock market. So not too many people are talking about the futures market. And that's why I specialize in the stock market and the crypto market. I mean, stock market and the futures market is the same, but the margins on the we call that in the futures is crazy. So when I first started out, okay, I had to literally because now they have micros. When I first started out, they didn't have micros. So a strategy that I use on the futures market, I can use the same on the stock market, but in the stock market, what you can do is you can have a wider stop, all right, in the stock market, because you can dial down your shares, whatever. But in the futures, when I first started out, we couldn't dial down anything. So I mean, we was risking a lot. So my strategy that I had to really design a strategy that allows me to trade with a small stop. Okay. Now, since we have the micros and all that stuff, you can basically trade with a much bigger stop. Okay. Let me see here. Let me go back to some more questions. X, I don't know. What is X? I'm quite sure that's a crypto. What is that? XTZ. What is that? Yeah. I mean, basically, it broke out right here. You see the breakout right here. So it looks like it's probably trying to come right back to here. And if it comes back to the breakout, we might bounce from there. Okay, we might get a bounce from here. So we'll see. But when we get a bounce from here, this is going to be most likely probably resistance. So you gotta watch out. We gotta watch out for that. Let's go to some more questions, and we're gonna basically end this off. How low can Ethereum go? Ethereum, you gotta understand, Ethereum is attached to BTC, so BTC can go back to 3,000. So if BTC go back to 3,000, guess what? Ethereum can go back to, what is it? I don't know. It was 80. And if it's going back to 80, most likely it's going to continue to go back down lower. So yeah, Ethereum can go lower. But honestly, unless something crazy happens, I don't think it's going to happen in 1 week or 1 month. So you're gonna see the market bounce. I mean, things don't go in a straight line. You're gonna see it bounce. Like I said, unless something crazy happens, then we just see a big red bar. But most likely, we're gonna see a bounce. And then we're going to have Monet come on the live stream and say, see, I told you to buy XRP. And then next week it goes back down. He's like, and then when it goes back down, you won't see them at all. He won't come on my live stream. Let me see. Let's go back to some more questions. Marijuana is just used only for crypto. Kenny said, I just swing trade crypto. Yeah, guys, I mean, I'm quite sure some guys on are crypto heavy on my live stream. So I'm trying to ask you guys some questions, some valid questions, right? BTC is not decentralized. The crypto market is not decentralized. So what makes it special? Okay, because I know I do have some crypto heads that's on this live stream. I'm quite sure. Right, so what makes it special? Because that was the main selling point. All right. All right, so let's go back to some questions. If not, we're gonna end this very soon. Not sure if you look at oil yet, but what do you think? Yeah, I looked at oil, and oil has the ability to continue to go down lower. So most likely we will see more lows, a new low on oil. I know a lot of people probably going to try to buy right here. I think we're probably going to continue to go back down, and I think overall, okay, we're probably going to go below here. It's a possibility. Another possibility is come back to fill this gap right here. That's a possibility. We might probably not fill this gap until we break this low and then fill the gap. So we'll see. Because a couple of things can happen. We can fill this gap, roll over, and break new lows, or break new lows and fill the gap. We'll see. Okay, it doesn't have to fill the gap right away. I was trying to explain that to a couple of people before. Just because you see a gap doesn't mean the market will bounce. Okay, so don't use that as a strategy. Just use it as a just a guide to just looking at the market. But don't always think that the gaps is going to get filled right away. It could take months, even years. Let me see. All right, that's about it, guys. Be careful in these markets. Don't be hero. Don't be that guy talking about, oh man, I missed the last bounce. Okay, now is my opportunity to buy. So I'm gonna go all in. Please, guys. Please, I beg you, guys. I beg you. All right. Learn how to read the charts. If you don't know how to read the charts, guys, learn from somebody. Okay. Learn from a guy that knows how to do it. Okay, a guy or a girl, whatever the case is. Learn how to swing trade. Learn how to day trade. Learn how to read the charts, man. Amazon. Amazon. Jeez, Amazon did a nice little pop. So basically, Amazon, it broke out, and Amazon looks like it has the ability to most likely continue to go back down. You see this breakout right here, so we're probably going to break down, and then let's look at Tesla real quick. So Amazon looks like it's probably going to continue to go back lower. We will see. We will see. Tesla is right now not looking good, so most likely Tesla is probably going to continue to go down. I wouldn't be surprised if we go right back down to the 400s. So let's go back to some more questions. BMX said Bitcoin isn't this decentralized. Such a stupid sentence. So basically, this is why I want you guys to, talk to me. All right, talk to me, BMX. So basically, you saying that Bitcoin is decentralized, okay? Can you explain to me why? Okay? Explain to me why Bitcoin is decentralized. You said it was not the point. You BMX, okay? Work with me, okay? Don't get emotional, because I know you probably went all in Bitcoin. Let's talk for a second, all right? You said Bitcoin. You said that was a stupid sentence, right? That is your exact words. So I'm asking you, okay? What makes Bitcoin decentralized if that's a stupid sentence? So basically what you're saying is, if it was stupid, that means you're saying that it's wrong, all right? So my question to you is, what makes Bitcoin decentralized? What makes my statement stupid? Let me see here. Looking good to short on what chart? What chart is looking good to short? Bitmain own most of Bitcoin. Yeah, let me know. I'm quite sure somebody owns a big chunk of Bitcoin. Most guys, you should know more than you guys are crypto lovers. You should know who owns most of the Bitcoin right now. All right. But Tesla right now, guys, is looking weak. Most likely will roll over Amazon, you know, everything is looking weak, man. You know, it's just what it is. Let's go back to some questions here. So BMX, I don't know if you left, man. That's why I hate, you know, some people be saying stuff and they just leave, bro. I hope he ain't leave. BMX, are you still here? I hope you ain't leave, man. All right, so let me see if I missed some questions here. I'm gonna go back to some questions and let's see if I missed some questions, guys. Let me see. I think I answered all the questions. Placed well for the dip. Took profits. All right. Yeah, so BMX, he left. So I don't know exactly. He's getting emotional, most likely. It could be that could be Sunny Decree. That could be Sunny Decree because, you know, he got all his money in Bitcoin. But overall, guys, let me explain something to you before I leave. Okay, the reason why I'm saying Bitcoin is not decentralized because if it was decentralized, there's no way. Okay, the government could actually come in, okay, and start to regulate things. And number two, there's no way, okay, Wall Street should be able to come in and actually make a futures product, okay? So that tells me right there it's not decentralized, okay? Because we are working with a third party, plain and simple. We are working with the third party, or we are working against the people that we don't, we were trying to get away for those guys, or from those guys, and now we are in bed with those guys, right? So it's not decentralized no more, plain and simple. So whatever the government says, it goes, and like I said, it was a nice idea, nice concept, but it is what it is. All right. So you guys have a great day. I appreciate everybody in this chat room. Hit that like button. Hit that hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you're not looking at if you're new to the channel. Let me see. Crypto Inspo, Amazon, and Tesla. Yeah, I looked at that already. But guys, have a great day. Make sure you guys work on yourself, improve as a trader, improve as an investor, and that's it, guys. Plain and simple. Learn how to trade. Learn how to read the markets. All right. If you don't learn how to read the markets, you're gonna be like Monet and BMX that talks about buy the market, and the market is keep going down, guys. The market is going down. All right. You want to be a guy that's have some type of stable income coming in. All right. It's going to be hard to do that when the market is crashing. So learn how to read the charts, because when you learn how to read the charts, you can actually swing trade, you can day trade, you have options. All right. The only option you have when you buy and hold is you have to wait. That's it. It's a waiting game. But yeah, guys, talk to you guys later. I'm about to do something. I got some company, but I hope you guys, learn your lesson. It is what it is. Talk to you guys later and have a great day.